Do you want to be able to fix Instagram story music problem? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to fix this. But make sure that you watch this until the very end, so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So the first step is going to be for us to come to our Instagram app and then come to the profile right here, as you can see. So go to your profile, and in here I'm going to firstly click on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines, and as you can see I'm currently taken to this page right here, which is perfect. What I'm going to do in here is to click where it says settings. So click on settings. Now I'm just going to scroll down in here and then click on help. So click on help and then click on report a problem in here. Once again, click on report a problem. And now I'm going to click where it says include and continue in here. And perfect, as you can see, we're now taken to this page right here, which is great. What I need to do right now is to write like this to the Instagram support. My Instagram story music is not working. It's not working. Please fix this for me. So we need to write like this. We need to explain to them that our Instagram story music is not working, and we need to of course ask them to fix this for us. What you can also add is that this is a very important function for your user experience on Instagram. You can also add that if you want to. And what I need to do now is to click where it says send in the top right corner, and now wait about 1 to 3 business days and just try again and see if that will actually solve this issue for you. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.